If you want to use Lucidchart inside Google Docs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install the Lucidchart add-on, connect it to your account, and insert diagrams into your document in just a few simple steps. This is a great workflow if you create process maps, flowcharts, org charts, or any kind of visual document and want everything to stay inside Google Docs. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Google Docs document where you want to add your diagram. Once the document is open, go to the top menu and click Extensions. From there, hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find tools that connect directly to Google Docs. Now use the search bar in the Marketplace and type Lucidchart Diagrams. You should see the official Lucidchart add-on appear in the results. Click on it, then select Install. Google will ask you to review and approve permissions before the add-on can be added to your account. Make sure you follow the prompts carefully and grant all the required permissions so Lucidchart can work properly inside Docs. Once the installation is complete, return to your document. If the side panel does not appear automatically, click the side panel icon or look for the Lucidchart panel in your extensions area. This is important because the add-on may be hidden at first, and opening the side panel lets you access all the Lucidchart tools directly inside Google Docs. When the Lucidchart panel appears, you may be asked to sign in. If that happens, log in with the account you want to use for your diagrams and approve any additional permissions if prompted. After that, the integration is ready to use. Next, you can either create a new diagram or choose one you already have. Click Create if you want to build something from scratch. This is useful if you need a new flowchart, a quick process diagram, or a custom visual for your document. If you already have a diagram saved in Lucidchart, click Browse instead. That lets you pick an existing file from your account and bring it directly into your Google Doc. After you select your diagram, follow the prompts to insert it into the document. Depending on your settings, you may be able to choose how it appears on the page and whether it stays linked to the original Lucidchart file. That link can be really helpful because if you update the diagram later in Lucidchart, your Google Doc version can stay current as well. This workflow is especially useful for teams, students, project managers, and anyone who needs to combine writing with visuals. Instead of exporting images, downloading files, and manually placing them into Docs, you can keep everything connected and much easier to manage. So let's recap the process. Open Google Docs, go to Extensions, then Add-ons, then Get Add-ons, search for Lucidchart Diagrams, install it, approve the permissions, open the side panel, sign in if needed, and then either create a new diagram or browse for an existing one to insert into your document. If this video helped you learn how to use Lucidchart in Google Docs, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.